Yieldstreet Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be diving into my experience with Yieldstreet, and if you're curious to learn more, I've added links to Yieldstreet in the description below. Yieldstreet is an alternative investment platform designed to give everyday investors access to asset classes traditionally reserved for institutional investors. It's aimed at individuals who are looking to diversify their portfolios beyond the stock market and who want access to potentially higher returns with various risk levels. The platform specializes in unique investments like real estate, art, marine finance, legal finance, and more. One of the standout features of Yieldstreet is its wide range of investment opportunities. You'll find everything from short-term notes to multi-year real estate deals, providing flexibility based on your financial goals. Minimum investments typically start around $500 to $10,000, depending on the offering. This lower entry point compared to traditional alternatives makes it accessible for retail investors who are comfortable with some risk. The platform is also straightforward to use, with detailed descriptions for each investment opportunity, including information on expected returns, term length, and risk assessment, which helps investors make informed choices. What's appealing about Yieldstreet is the potential for higher yields compared to traditional stocks or bonds. Many offerings target annual returns in the 7 to 15% range, depending on the asset class and specific deal. Yieldstreet's due diligence and vetting process for each opportunity adds a layer of comfort, although it's essential to remember that these are not risk-free investments. Like any alternative assets, there's always the chance of capital loss. Yieldstreet is particularly suited for accredited investors, those who meet certain income or net worth criteria, because many of its investment options are restricted to this category. However, the platform has been expanding its offerings to include products available to non-accredited investors, giving more people a chance to explore alternative investments. The Prism Fund, for instance, is open to non-accredited investors with a $500 minimum, allowing access to a diversified pool of Yieldstreet assets. Keep in mind that liquidity can be a concern with Yieldstreet, as many investments are locked up for the duration of the term, which can be anywhere from a few months to several years. Therefore, it's best suited for investors who can afford to keep their money tied up over time for potentially higher returns. Overall, Yieldstreet is a solid platform for those looking to diversify beyond traditional markets and are willing to accept a higher level of risk for the chance at better returns. I hope this review has given you a clear sense of what Yieldstreet offers. For more details, check the links in the description below.